In this video, we will demonstrate how to increase the RAID volume by adding a drive to an existing array for additional storage space. In this example, RAID 5 is configured with three 960GB SSDs. We will add another identical SSD to the existing array. Click back until you return to the array A. Then click Manage Data Drives. Click Add Drives, expand array, select the physical drive to add, then click Proceed to Next Form. Choose the expansion type from the drop-down list, then click Proceed to Next Form. Click Submit Changes to confirm. A Expand Array Successful message will be displayed. Click back to Main menu. Navigate to Array Configuration, Manage Arrays, Array A. The number of physical drives has been increased to 4. At this stage, the logical drive is still at 1.92 TB, even though the array size increased by 960 GB from 1.92 TB to 2.88 TB, and the OS still only sees a 1.92 TB virtual drive size. The next video will show you how to extend the logical drive to utilize an additional 960 GB